Back in the spring when we went into the first lockdown, the weather was amazing. Days were getting longer and we had summer to look forward to. Now we're approaching winter with various forms of restrictions across the country. It's dark in the evening and the weather can be bitterly cold, which makes it hard even at the best of times. But there are things to celebrate about the season, and over the month here on The World at One, we thought it was time to celebrate winter in all its forms. The landscape artist, Jen Gash, lives in Thornbury in South Gloucestershire and told us why she's looking forward to painting over the next few months.
One of the unexpected joys of lockdown has been the fact that I've thought, what can I do from the house that's still landscape-based, nature-based? So I've been looking out the window and noticing the garden a lot more. And obviously, as the summer's changed into winter, the garden's less busy, there's less human activity out there. We've put away the garden furniture, the barbecue's gone away, and nature's reclaiming the garden, really. The veg patch that was kind of all nice rows and things, that's all now kind of just some weeds and dead stalks of things. But, it's actually quite interesting as a painter looking at those different shapes and the different qualities of the garden in the winter. One of the other lovely things about painting in the winter is that the weather does really strange things. So the other day I was looking over the River Severn and there was this heavy, misty fog just sitting on the river, nowhere else. You could see the tops of the hills of Wales beyond in this slaty green grey and this slab of white mist, and then the rest of the countryside as usual. And it was really odd, not eerie, just odd. But of course you get hailstorms that will just turn everything sort of a grey silver for a few minutes and then melt. I mean, for an artist, that sudden change in colour and temperature and texture is just fabulous.